Hi everyone, my name's Akasha and today I'm gonna be unboxing my Kanken. I think it's pronounced, how's it pronounced? It's, okay, I used to think it was pronounced like Fjallraven Kanken, but I think it's like I am not gonna try. I'm just so bad at it. The only way I'm gonna know how to pronounce it is like I watched a few videos and then I forgot how to pronounce it, so I already forgot. So we're just gonna move on. So I did order a Kanken before this, like 3 weeks ago or something, I don't know, and I got it and it was like a bright pink one and it was like authentic and all that, but I realized I didn't like the color. I ended up returning it and I had to order another one. I'll insert some clips from the old one, which is the peach pink one. It was just so bright. I didn't want it anymore. I feel bad about that, but I didn't want it anymore. So I ended up getting another one. I obviously returned the other one. I just said that a million times. So this is what I have here and we're gonna open it. I did open the other one and I kind of figured out how to tell if it was real by the comments on Amazon because I ordered mine from Amazon. I heard like the best way to get an authentic one is to just order straight from the website, like this website here. I don't know how to pronounce it. So to just, you know, quit wasting time, let's just start unboxing this. So I have my little handy dandy knife. I love this thing. I got it from like Walmart. My dad actually bought it for me like 4 years ago or something. I don't know. I was like obsessed with knives. I was like, please give me your knife. He had like some fancy knife and he wouldn't give it to me. So he got me this one instead. This is such a like waste of plastic. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so bad. Oh, I got a black one. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. We're about to find out if it's authentic or not. I'm kind of nervous. I don't see the extra tag on it. So, I don't know if it's authentic yet because usually there's 2 tags here and one of them, if it's, it has like a little symbol at the bottom, I'll show you with my peach pink one here. And if that symbol isn't colored, then it's not authentic, and if it is, then it is, but that one doesn't even, the tag isn't even on here for that one. Well, the next thing we can check is if this is reflective. So, let me grab my phone. I mean, it's for sure reflective. I don't know if you can tell, but it reflects. You can't tell in there. Wait, this is a struggle. I don't know if you can tell. I feel like I have to like turn off the lights for you to be able to tell. I don't want to do it. Okay, well, this is for sure reflective. I don't know how to explain it well, but it's like reflecting. So the next thing I'm going to check is the zippers, because on the zippers, okay, so it has the little fox on there. Oh, my nails look ugly, so don't look at them. But on the side of these, they have something written. And that's how you know if it's authentic. And this one does have it, so that's good. I'm talking to my camera! You want to come watch me? You want to? Like, actually? Okay. It is pretty
YouTube?
Yeah. You can just sit there quietly if you want. It looks really good though. Like the camera quality just looks so freaking good. Like,
you know what? It will be less awkward. Just pretend like you're talking to me.
It's like, but I feel like it looks better with the other light on.
Put it in already.
Hi guys. Today me and my guest star, say your name.
Hill.
We're gonna be filming a video. So basically this backpack, right? A lot of people try to sell fake ones of it, and these are so expensive. It's like $80, and people are selling like fake backpacks that look just like this. So when you buy it, like when I bought mine from Amazon, I have to like make sure it's real, because if it's fake, I'm obviously not gonna keep it. Because why would I spend $80 on a fake backpack, you know? So I was checking to see if it was real. So this thing is reflective. That's how you know that part's real, because like some people like, you know, take it on their little bike or whatever, and they're like riding through town, and if a car passes by, you know, it'll reflect on this patch. So like this will like look really bright. So that's reflective. I can show you too. And the next thing I had to check was the zippers. There was also a tag missing on here. Usually there's 2 tags, and one of my tags is missing. So I'm like, is it fake? I don't know. So I'm gonna keep going. But all of these little like things are on here, so I don't really know. I think it's real.
Wait, how much did you pay for it?
I paid 68, I think. I don't know. I'll put the price in right here. But mine's this color. I don't know why it costed a little bit less. This color, like specifically like black. I think maybe just because it's like such an ordinary color that it costed less.
That one's pretty good. More than one you got.
Yeah, I got a peach pink one before and I didn't like it. This is my normal, usual backpack. I think my younger brother drew on it. I know, it's funny, but like I literally think my younger brother either like drew on it or something, because like look at that. But it's fine. It's so dirty, especially from the bottom, because I just put it down everywhere. So now we're gonna check the next thing to see if it's real. So the inside has like a patch, and also we have to see the stitching. The stitching looks good, which means it's probably authentic. I'm just a really paranoid person, so I have to check everything. But if there's the flag in there, you know it's real. You know the little flag? I feel like this is just a video about whether it's real or not, but really this is the unboxing, and then I guess I'll like review it. I don't know. It's kind of like sturdy. The piece of foam is in there. So it's called like a seat pad, because some people, you know, they like put their backpack upside down and they sit here, so there's like a piece of foam right there, so that if you sit, it feels like good. So that's in there. I might take it out because it looks kind of ugly in there. I mean, it looks pretty legit. Oh look, it has the website's name on there too. Okay.
My glue.
So the 4 things to check to make sure it's authentic. I feel really awkward because you guys are staring at me.
Then should we just pick them up?
The tag, the reflective patch, the zippers, and the inside of the Swedish flag. I think it's Swedish, right? Hey, send me the Swedish flag. One other thing to check is this inside the pocket of my other one too. There was a little booklet that shows you all the Kankens. I'm convinced that it's real. I just need to make sure it's like not dirty and stuff. Okay. So that was my, how do you pronounce this word?
Fjallraven Kanken.
Fjallraven Kanken? I should probably look it up. So that was the unboxing of it. I just need to figure out how to like do the straps, and then maybe afterwards I'll do like a review and like a what's in my bag type of video, but for now that was just the unboxing, and I'm gonna be using this. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. My sister's in this room. It's making me really uncomfortable. Okay, and if you haven't already subscribed, hit subscribe. Join my gang. I haven't come up with a name yet. I said join my gang. I have a gang. If you want to join, just hit the subscribe button. Yeah, join my family. Good point. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. She's like, what is going on?